The operator performs a logical OR operation on its two Boolean operands. The result is true if at least one of the operands is true. If both operands are false, the result is false. Unlike the conditional logical OR operator, the operator always evaluates both operands, regardless of the result of the first one. This means that even if the left operand is true, which guarantees that the overall result will be true, the right operand will still be evaluated. When the operator is used with integral numeric types, it performs a bitwise OR operation. Each bit in the result is set to 1 if at least one of the corresponding bits in the operands is 1.